how to create MetaQuest account. So if you want to create MetaQuest account, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with the MetaQuest application, or in my case, I don't have the application, I'll just go with the browser. So once you're here, what you need to do is just go with search and search for MetaQuest. Once you've searched, you just need to simply go with the first search or first option, which is www.meta.com, and it will take you to the website. Now here you need to go with the upper right, which has that profile shaped icon or person shaped icon, and it will take you to this kind of page where you just need to simply tap on sign up or log into Meta. Tap on it, and here you will have complete action using your browser. So we'll just tap on the Chrome browser and then go with your browser, and you can either continue with your account that you already have, or if you don't have an account, then you can go with use another account. Tap on it, and you can continue with your Facebook or Instagram or email to create your account. So I'll just tap on continue with email, and you need to enter the email address. So I'll just enter the email address and tap on next and tap on create new account. Enter your first and last name and then go with next again and enter your birthday. Tap on next again and create your password. So the password must be at least of 6 letters and numbers. It should be something others can't guess. So just enter your password and then tap on next. And after creating your password, you may receive the confirmation code. So enter your confirmation code and then tap on confirm again. And that's it. Your account has been created. You can go with the upper right. So that's how you can create your MetaQuest account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.